Welcome to this technical guide on the Vitamix. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Vitamix isn't blending properly and is making an unusual noise, you're not alone. This issue often arises when the clutch is worn out or damaged, which can prevent the blades from spinning effectively. If left unaddressed, this can lead to further damage, requiring more extensive repairs. So, let's get started on fixing this. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement clutch, and a pair of gloves to keep everything clean. First, ensure your Vitamix is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Begin by removing the container from the base. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, take out the screws on the bottom of the base. There should be 4 screws to remove. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base cover off, being careful not to damage any wires. Inside, locate the clutch. It's usually situated right above the motor. If you're unsure, look for signs of wear or any unusual markings. Now, using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry off the clutch. Be cautious during this step, as you don't want to damage any surrounding components. Once the old clutch is removed, take your new clutch and position it in the same place. Push it down firmly until it clicks into place. Now, it's time to reassemble your Vitamix. Replace the base cover, making sure all wires are tucked safely away. Secure the cover with the screws you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but not overly so, as this could strip the screws. After that, reconnect your device to power and give it a test run. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To help prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly check your Vitamix for any signs of wear and tear, and clean it thoroughly after each use. Avoid overloading the container, as this can put unnecessary strain on the motor and clutch. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.